Hi, I'm Kalindi. I'm here to tell you a story about a tiny seed. Are you excited? So am I. Let's begin. The name of the story is The Lucky Seed. One day, in a village, a farmer took a big bag of seeds to sell at the market. Suddenly, his cart's wheel hit a big stone. Thump! Oh ho! One of the seeds fell out of the bag onto the hot, dry ground. Now, what do you think will happen to the seed? Let's see. I'm thirsty, said the seed. I need some water to grow. And it started to rain. What do you think happened when it started raining? Yes, the seed got the water it needed. Next morning, the seed had a little green shoot. All day it sat in the sun and grew taller and taller. After a few days, it had its first leaf. Wow! Many years of sunshine and rain passed. The seed became a plant and the plant became a tree. Now the seed has become a big, strong tree. Isn't it exciting how something so tiny like this becomes a big, strong tree? Yes, I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you. Bye-bye.